Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have a super cool DIY to share with you today. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate a beautiful faux planter using things that you already have around your home. As always, it'll be simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For this DIY, I'm going to be starting off with this glass container that I've had for years. I'm also going to be using this old piece of foam board that is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut out a circle pattern that is in the same shape as my container. What you see me doing here is punching some holes through my foam board. This is where the faux flower stems will go. Next, I'll be using this black paint that I picked up from Walmart. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursday. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. I'm going to be using these pebbles that I picked up from outside in my yard. I'm also going to be using some Mod Podge, and I'm just going to pour the pebbles down into the Mod Podge and begin to mix it all together. Now, I do want to point out, if you do use pebbles from outside, you want to make sure you wash them first, get all that dirt and mud off of them, because we don't really want that in our project. Right here you just see me pouring the rocks down onto my surface that I cut out, and so here I just want to make sure that I cover everything up really nicely, and then being careful to leave those holes open so that I have room to place my flower stems. So guys, I had these gems and I just thought it'd be fun to place a few of them into my stones to give it a little bit of glam. Now I'm just going to set this aside to dry for 24 hours, and I'm going to begin to work on the next phase of the project. I'm going to be using this yellow paint that I picked up from Walmart, and I'm just going to paint the bottom lower portion of my container. I'm going to go in with some iridescent fine glitter as well as Mod Podge, and I'm just going to paint the upper portion of my container. Now I'm going to go in with these bling stickers that I picked up from Walmart. You guys, I'm going to be using these packing peanuts that I saved from a purchase, and I'm just going to fill up the inside of my container with these. This is just going to provide some stability for my stems so that they don't move around, as well as providing some support for our little rock topper that we created. Now that our topper is dry, I'm going to flip it over and begin to widen up my holes so that it's easier for me to force those stems down. And I'm just using the back of my paintbrush, nothing fancy here. Right here you just see me guiding the stems down into the packing peanuts, and this was a pretty easy process to do, but it does take a little bit of patience, so yeah, just be prepared for that. And then after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue everything into place. guys know that I record in my basement, so I don't have a big huge area to set up for filming and displaying, but I did want to show you guys this because I feel like it is beautiful, even though it is a little large for my area. But guys, this is beautiful, and these things, if you were to buy something like this in a store, it'd probably be upwards of 80 bucks to maybe even $200 right now, because things have gone up so rapidly. So this is a price effective alternative. The flowers are from Michael's. You can get 2 stems and they always run their half off sale. So hopefully this helps somebody in their home decorating ideas. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this little video. I really enjoyed making it for you. If you have, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.